I don't
No.
remember.
I don't think Yes! Guys, the alarm's gone off.
End the video.
Guys, I don't know how long that video was, but we've got to disable the alarm. Right, Mario,
And that's it, the back.
this is where the monsters get extremely strong and extremely fast.
I know.
It's really hard.
I know where the alarm is, good please.
No, it spawns in different spots.
It spawns randomly anywhere. But mostly up here.
Oh my God. Go, 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 back to city, back to city. Back to city, back to city, back to city. Big Jerry! Oh, Big Jerry was chasing me. I've lost him. I've lost him. Big Jerry, don't turn around. I'll shoot my mammoth pistol. What the fuck have got two of me? Why the fuck have got two of me?
Yo, guys.
Yo, 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 yo. Spawn.
I'm near spawn.
Mario, we're at spawn. Spawn.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yo, where's Kian? Kian? Guys, it spawns randomly.
Yeah.
It's coming!
Stay together, right? Whatever we want to do, stay together.
Ah! Ah!
Max, end the video. They have no mercy, do they?
Guys, don't worry. If you hear my sister, then I'm going to the garden centre. So, guys, my sister goes to the garden centre. Can I stay here? Okay, bye. Guys, we need to disable. Who's that? That's Kian.
Kian.
I'm gonna go. Come on, pop. Right.
Do you want to leave? Do you want to